we are very hopeful after today's hearing. A nodal officer has been appointed pursuant to the last order. There's nodal officer responsibility now to facilitate certain directions. Out of the foremost of those directions is, finally getting the petitioner in touch with her brother. And today the High Court once again directed, since the status report was filed, however, till date, because of coordination issues, the communication not facilitated. The High Court has directed that coordination happen between the MEA and us, the petitioner, so we can ensure access to the brother. We are happy to inform that the brother is alive and our soldier is well, and we just want to get him back. And today's hearing fills our hearts with hope. And
so what were the specific directions that the court passed?
Today the court basically passed a direction that you facilitated time-bound access to the petitioner with the brother, and the learned ASG appeared for the respondent, and he also made a statement and said that he will personally ensure in that such access be provided to the best of their ability.
Sir, it was also talked about that there is some app that needed some kind of registration.
No, so that's the coordination she was talking about. They had already sought to facilitate our access to an app, but that app only allows UAE residents to access and download it, and Celina is not a UAE resident. She does not have an Emirates ID, and neither does Vikrant have a valid Emirates ID. So communication only happens through diplomatic channels now, and that is what the court has directed, that best efforts be made that this access be granted since the app is not functional for her.
Sir, certain submissions were also made by the counsel who was appearing through VC, who was the counsel for the wife. He was also making certain submissions that they have accessed, they have got in touch with the person over there.
I would not be aware of those. There was a person who appeared who was purportedly representing the wife and Vikrant. He seemed to be certainly perturbed. And I think the ASG responded to him in court in the right manner, that he should be, non-adversarial. And so we have nothing to say in this regard.
So the Council for Central Government of India was also submitting that the Major Vikrant has chosen not to talk to Celina.
No, she did not. She was saying that since we have updated Celina's calling card, perhaps it might be the case where he does not want to talk, but then we clarified the legal position in law that it is an impossibility for him to contact Celina even if he has the number, because that authorization has to be given by the prison authorities. So he definitely will want to contact his sister, because as a matter of fact, we know that he reached out to his sister, and we are hopeful that they will get in touch soon. And more than that, we are hopeful that he'll come back.
It has been a very, very long 15 months, and I'm very happy about today's directive. I will finally be able to see my brother and contact him. Yes.
So, is there any communication when they are going to have the next consular meeting?
अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं है. Of course, they will intimate us once they have the access, because this is not in India; it's in another country. So it depends with international coordination, and I'm sure they will inform us when that is possible.